Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Today we will see the job submission for our AWS Step Function. Whenever user log into DWC, and then they need to go to the design page and choose Workload Designer, and from there, user need to click on Create New button. And in your Create New button, user need to type on click on job definition. Then user need to search for AWS Step and user need to find that AWS Step Functions and user click on this. So I have already filled some details, so I will show that one. In general info, user need to give any name, and user need to choose the workstation. And when user go to the connection tab, here user need to fill the his credentials like access key id and secret key id and region and whatever the role user have. So those ARN details, everything user need to provide here. And user need to click on test connection, and the test connection is successful here. So test connection is successful, so user need to click on OK. And this state machine, user need to click on this select button, and whatever the state machine is available for that user, all the state machines are available in our DWC, and it will be visible to the user. So one of the state machine SNS, my state machine SNS, I am choosing this, and I need to click on OK. And whenever the user choose this state machines, after that user need to execute, either user need to execute from a input file or from a input text. So here whatever the message and whatever the sources are available in that machines, I am just giving passing through as a JSON. So I am passing a sample message here, and whatever the message and sources is already available in our machine. So after this, user need to click on save button, save. Then user need to click on submit, and giving us a job name, then click OK. Success. Then we need to go to the monitor tab, then monitor workload. Then I need to increase my priority because it is in ready state. So yeah, the job is successful here, and user need to click on this and job log. Yes, see, and whatever the input message is provided by user, it is accepted by our AWS, and it will be showing us the output here. And according to this output, according to this input, whatever the output is there, and whatever the message ID and everything, whatever the content and whatever the length, everything will be displayed in our job log. And exit status would be 0 for the successful job. So this is the details actually will found, and these details will be fetched by from our AWS console only. Say in workflow details also we will see the step by step, and whatever the transaction happen, whatever the any task will start and execution is succeeded, everything, all the details will be fetching from here. And if you go to extra properties, In extra properties also, we will able to find all the details, like whatever the region is provided and whatever the input text, whatever the access key id and password. If our password must be as a encrypted, and whatever the json result and whatever the machine name we are giving, everything will be printed as a json format only. So this is the result for aws step function. Thank you guys.